I chose the tech college for my education because it is streamlined, direct material that I need to learn for my career. So I was motivated to choose the CAD program because I've been working as an interior designer, and there was a little bit of a gap in my education that kind of held me back in my career. So the CAD program offered everything that I was missing in terms of the technical skills and the software that I didn't learn initially in school. I am so excited to come to school every day to learn the programs AutoCAD, SketchUp, and Revit. Revit is a 3D rendering program that you use to build homes, create layouts, floor plans, and provide renderings to your clients. It is a miracle program. Every time I sit down to use it, it is very exciting for me. My instructors are all so knowledgeable. They bounce around the classroom to each student, and they help everyone with any question, and that amazes me. Their knowledge is just endless. My future plans are to join a team here in Ogden, and that's very focused on the community. My favorite skill that I've learned in my program is definitely Revit. I feel like that was the main objective for me, was to learn that program because I know how much it is used in my career field. I would especially like to thank the Swanson Family Foundation for the scholarship that they gave me. That just made such a huge difference for me, and it definitely eases the burden of being a working mother, going to school and providing for my family. So thank you so very much for that. It also just motivates me to keep going because someone else believes in me.